Are you planning to cruise the seven seas? But requirements have changed and they seem to be changing all the time. What do I have to do to get on a cruise ship? Well, stay tuned because I've got the insider travel secrets. Hi, I'm Larry Gelwicks, the Getaway Guru, and welcome to my travel channel. The purpose of the Getaway Guru is to help you see the world, travel more, and pay less. If you're new to my travel channel, a special welcome, and please remember the big three: subscribe, turn on the notifications, and if you like this video, and I sure hope you do, please give me a thumbs up. Now, you and I have been together watching the Getaway Guru videos for about a year now? Have you noticed I've got a little beard going? Just yesterday, I got back from Africa. I was on an African safari, and yes, I'll be putting a video together how to choose the right African safari. So, my kids want me to keep it. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I'll shave it. Stay tuned and you'll find out. Well, as I said, cruising to and from the United States is back, but the cruising regulations have changed. And with these changes, I recommend that you use the services of a professional travel advisor. He or she will save you a lot of time and money and help you get over and avoid the pitfalls of, do I have the right documentation? And of course, we hope that you'll give us a call here at Columbus Travel. A link to Columbus Travel is included in the descriptions below. Well, everything is changing, so I'm going to give you the regulations and policies as of today. They are likely to change, and we'll try to keep you updated. And of course, your Columbus Travel Advisor has everything right there. Incidentally, we have a blog on our website, columbusvacations.com. In the upper right-hand corner, just click on blog, and we've included there a list of all the current policies, rules, and regulations, cruise line by cruise line, of what you have to meet to get on board. Well, let's first start with vaccinations. That's on everybody's mind. Some cruise lines are requiring that everyone, crew and passengers, be vaccinated. Others are not. And you want to go back to that link to see which is applicable to the cruise line you'll be sailing with. Also, are you planning to take kids with you? Some cruise lines are not accepting children under the age of 12, while others are. Some are not accepting children or infants under the age of 2. Of course, with a lot of cruise lines, that is a long-standing policy. Well, there's a link in the description below that you can get all this information, and it is changing constantly. Do you need oxygen, or are you a dialysis patient? Right now, some cruise lines are not allowing passengers who need oxygen or are currently dialysis patients. See, the problem with the dialysis is, what if there's some delay and you're scheduled for your dialysis? Yeah, that's going to be a real big problem. Now, some cruise lines are requiring a negative COVID test to be taken no more than 72 hours prior to boarding the ship, called embarkation, while others are actually conducting the COVID test, and you get the negative back, assuming you're negative, back very, very quickly. They're actually doing it right at the pier prior to embarkation. You also want to check for that testing at the pier. Is the cruise line expecting you to pay for it? In most cases, they will cover it. Now remember, these are the current policies. Cruise lines have announced that they are going to reevaluate all of their policies, protocols, and rules in either October of 2021 or December of 2021. So stay tuned. We'll keep you updated not only with my Getaway Guru videos, but also on the blog. We keep that updated. Now, just kind of an interesting FYI. With the exception of Norwegian Cruise Lines, all cruises that I'm aware of are requiring passengers to mask in the public areas. Well, the swimming pool is a public area, but it doesn't have to be done there. But in the public areas, really about the only time you can take your mask off with many cruise lines is in your stateroom or in the swimming pool. Well, Norwegian is not requiring masks. The crew will be masked, but passengers don't have to. Why? Because you'll be fully vaccinated on NCL, and they'll be taking the negative COVID test right on the day of embarkation at the pier. And by the way, that means that everybody is vaccinated and tested. The crew, incidentally, is tested several times each week, not just once a week, but several times. So I'm feeling real good about Norwegian. I feel good about all the cruise lines, but I think Norwegian has really stepped out on this one. So, yeah, it's a great time to be cruising. And please remember the big three: subscribe, turn on your notification, and please give me a thumbs up. And for the best travel deals on the planet, including cruises, give us a call at Columbus Travel, 800-373-3328, or online at columbusvacations.com. See you on board the ship. Stay healthy, stay safe. Happy traveling.